Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Backup photos, messages, and app data so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged in. Updates can drain battery. Now connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and clear at least 5 GB of space to prevent install failures. Then open Settings, go to System, and tap Software Update to check for Android 14 availability. This starts the update sequence. You tap Download and watch the progress. Avoid using bandwidth-heavy apps during this time because a broken download causes corruption. As the package appears, read the changelog briefly to know major changes and required permission adjustments. Accept prompts to proceed. When installation begins, the device will reboot and apply the update. Make sure you don't force restart mid-install. After reboot, let the system optimize apps. This can take from 10 to 30 minutes depending on app count and storage speed. You finish by confirming the phone now reports Android 14 in Settings About Phone. Check that your main apps launch and basic services like calls and Wi-Fi work. If an app crashes, clear its cache or reinstall it. If data didn't restore, import from your backup. If the device behaves erratically, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party issues. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after saving essential data, because that resolves persistent conflicts introduced during the update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.